Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian. Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.9, Problem 3. This is Section 2.9, Problem 3. We have to subtract 7 2/5 minus 2 1/7. So what we need to do is find the common denominator and combine the numerators. Now, if we have denominators of 5 and 7, the common denominator would be 35. Both 5 and 7 divide into 35 evenly. Now we have to make new numerators. So 5 times some value is equal to 35 would have to be times 7. So the top would also have to be times the same value. 2 times 7 is 14. Now for the other fraction, 7 times some value is 35, so that some value is 5. So the top is also multiplied times the same value. 1 times 5 is 5. So now, keep in mind, this is subtraction. So you have to subtract the numerators 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 is 9. You keep the same denominator, 35. And then don't forget the whole numbers. You subtract those also. 7 minus 2 is 5. And now check to see if it can be reduced. It cannot be reduced. That's as reduced as it gets. 9 over 35 won't reduce. So our final answer is 5 9/35.